Because his GoPro didn't have a SD card. Back to me, it's like a microphone. So I said, I was fucked. I told him got that big GoPro. Yeah, my girlfriend bought me a GoPro.
YouTube. It's part 2, man. I ain't gotta introduce. We got 3 Mustangs. We got 2 GTs, 1 EcoBoost. Don't judge him. He'll smoke your RT. Anyway, we might get into some shit today. As you can see, we at my 9th grade school. I hate this school.
So you can see me shipping this shit. Hey, remember when you gave me my SD card back?
Uh-huh.
I left that shit in my pants, and guess what I did?
You washed them?
Washed my fucking pants.
Damn. Hey, I still got the fucking car seat back here, man. That's bad. That is real bad. I still got my car seat in the back.
You still got your car seat? You'll be alright. little added extra weight.
That shit gonna fly out the window. Forgot to take it out.
Don't get in there, it's all dirty, man.
Hey, bro, I know a person now. I know a person, though. You ain't gotta be riding like this.
I'm the same way. My car ain't clean for real. My whole trunk is filled with garbage for no reason. But my shit.
Hey, you trying to change my rotors today? You can get it done.
Change your fucking rotor.
Nah, not rotors. Just one rotor. Everything else changed except one rotor. Last one there is a rotten egg.
Huh?
Last one there is a rotten egg.
Oh my God, bro. Oh, hell.
Oh, that's crazy. I can't even lie, it is so fucking hot today. This is a weird way to start my video. I never started my video already with the camera on my head. Y'all didn't even get to see me. Y'all don't want to see me. Y'all want to hear the engine. That poor family, he disturbing the peace too.
Huh?
Yes. Right outside. I got the AC on my knees because it is so hot out here today. It's so humid and hot. So I'm sorry if y'all can hear the AC. If it's loud, I got the windows down. But it's hot. That's all I gotta say. It's funny because I'm literally the only person that's non-boosted here. I mean, you got a EcoBoost, but it comes with boost. And you got a top of the line 6-speed Whipple. And I just got a little Mustang, little thing. We still gonna get into something crazy, something fun. We're gonna see how they go. I gotta use my paddle shifters just to sound cool. I feel like I made the wrong decision and I should have got a forgot my shit was in manual. But yeah, Greg literally made me want to get a manual. Like the 10-speed cool and all, but that shit seems so fun what he doing. I feel sorry for all these people. They about to go deaf. Bro, that AC feels so good. It's hot and good at the same time. I feel like rolling my window up, but at the same time I can't. Y'all, we need more Mustangs. I ain't gonna lie. We need to come together. I know y'all bought y'all Mustangs just to raise Hellcats, but we all need to come together and do one big video. Hosted by me. Y'all can all pull up. It's hot. I got the pool at my place. Y'all pull up. Gotta have a Mustang though, or you can't get in. Oh my god. Bro need to change his something. I don't exactly know what happened right there. What the fuck? My car doesn't pop. No fucking way we don't get pulled over. Oh my god. Fucking sound like a war out here, god damn.
What's up, guys? It's Quandale Dingle here.
Get out the way. Did you hear we was in the little cave? We all rented our cars. Did you? Fuck! That shit is long.
You said it's straight fight, right?
Yeah.
Damn, quiet, bro.
Did my tire go low? What the fuck? It literally says on 18. I think that's wrong, because I don't. You will feel that. I hope it didn't just. Oh, it's on 13. Oh my. Did my tire fucking go flat? Yo, I just caught a flat. You got a flatty?
That's some bullshit. Easy.
I got a good scenario. We closed by my mom's house with my spare tires. Why this shit had to happen to me? Huh? Appreciate it. Oh, 180.
180? You hit 180 in that?
Yeah. Yo, we actually made it to my mom's house. We have to stop and get a jack because I know there's no jack at my mom's house. And then we ran into another problem. Okay, those are 20s. These are 19s. So I don't know if I'm gonna change the front two or just leave one a 20. It's just for a little bit, but dog, what the hell? Yo, I just got this shit changed. So I had to change both tires. This shit looks so weird, bro, in the camera.
You got the fats in the front and 1 point fat in the back.
I said it was gonna look weird when you said it.
So now, guys, I gotta go return this fucking jack.
And then there's me.
Huh?
Drives so fucking weird now. Let me call Greg.
Come on, we can't hear each other, bro. I still can't hear you. This shit too fucking loud, bro.
That shit is loud. I guess.
Hold on now.
Uh-oh.
That shit ain't like that.
Uh-oh.
The car came back, but that shit.
Did it say you didn't have your key or something?
No, that shit. So, what like to happen is, I think the throttle body on the Whipple kit is like, I don't know, it be getting mad as fuck. And I think I still had traction control on. We still got traction control on. That shit get mad, and sometimes it'll put it in the mode. Yeah, bro, this shit is not the day. It's too much going on, bro. I can't believe this shit is.
Yo! Nigga's about to kill himself.
Hey, he said he do it, bro. I can hear my car through your phone.
Dude, I had to roll my window. This shit sound good. I ain't gonna lie. Oh, can I hear mine? Oh, I hear it a little bit. You said you putting your shit in new. Hey, this car next to me rolled this window. My camera cooked itself. I don't know if I explained that last time, but literally everything that could go wrong in the video went wrong. Everything went wrong, bro. But I think I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. But yeah, man, hope y'all like the video. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe.